Looking for a luxurious stay in Altinkum, Turkey? Let's explore Laur Hotel Experience and Elegance and see what makes it special. This upscale hotel is designed for those who appreciate comfort, style, and top-tier service. Located in the heart of Altinkum, it offers a perfect blend of relaxation and sophistication. The rooms at Laur Hotel are elegantly designed, featuring modern decor, spacious layouts, and high-end amenities to make your stay truly comfortable. Guests love the dining options here, from gourmet international cuisine to authentic Turkish flavors, all prepared by top chefs to ensure a delightful culinary experience. Beyond the rooms and dining, the hotel offers a serene pool area, a full-service spa, and a fitness center, catering to both relaxation seekers and active travelers alike. Visitors rave about the attentive staff and the hotel's immaculate cleanliness. Some mention that peak seasons can get busy, but overall, the experience is highly rated. Would you stay at Laur Hotel Experience and Elegance? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel insights.